Okay. Good morning, boys. I am N. Nagendra Prasad, TGT English from TTW URJC Boys, Tirumalayapalam English Medium School. Day 26 Spoken English. Today we are going to learn language functions, giving explanation. We want to give an explanation to somebody else. You can use the following phrases. Look, it's like a pearl, but it's not a pearl. The reason for his absence from the classes is his poverty. Just let me explain why the death rate of corona is less. Well, the right thing is maintain physical distance. Nowadays we listen many times this kind of sentences. What I mean is service to the human being is a service to the God. The main problem is illiteracy across the world. Well, the reason is poverty. Above all, we must keep in mind that we must wear marks. Marks. Look, boys, all these phrases in the black letters, black words, are used to giving explanation about something to others. Now, let me give some phrases to to express your disagree. I disagree. I am afraid in this matter. I disagree with you. I am afraid in this matter. I don't quite agree. There are several ways of learning available nowadays. If anybody says there is only one way of learning, you can disagree with them. I am not quite so sure, really, about availability of smartphones with students or with students. Do you really think so? Believe. Do you really believe that only men can do all works? If anybody says only men can do all works, you can express your disagree with this. Well, that's one way of looking at it, but we can do it in another way also. I wouldn't say so that only teachers can know everything. Sometimes students may also know many things. I don't think you are right. That's right in this matter. I don't want to argue with you, but let me explain you. Are you seriously suggesting that only non-vegetarian food is nutritious? Look this, all these phrases which expresses your disagree. Let me give some more phrases. No, I really can't agree. I'm afraid. I'm not so certain at all sure if that's true or correct. I'm sorry I can't agree. I'm not convinced that. Well, I have many doubts about that. You don't really mean that, do you? I don't think so. Surely you don't mean that. I can't go all the way with you on that point. I have many problems with what you are saying. Children usually we can use these phrases whenever we sit in a class, in a concert, and an argument, a debate, especially debater. These are very useful phrases. If you do practice all, definitely you get good knowledge. At least few. Please try to do practice at your village learning centers. Okay, hope you all understood them, and hope you do practice at your village centers. Thank you.